Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to Prudence Coaching. As you know, in this particular channel, you will get ICSE, CVSE, and WBBSE solution of all subjects. Students, as we have completed till sum number 1A in the previous video, today we will start with 1B. So, according to the question, you need to find out the amount and compound interest when the principal is rupees 18,000 and it is kept for 2.5 years and the rate of interest per annum is given to be 10%, and here the compound interest is compounded annually. So as we know, we need to apply these formulas, and I have asked you to learn these formulas because you need to learn these formulas for solving the sums. As in this particular question it is said the compound interest is compounded annually, that means we need to find out the amount and the compound interest using this particular formula. So let's start with the sum. First we need to write what things are given in the question. Here the principal or P is given to be rupees 18,000. Here the time, which is represented by the small letter n, is 2.5 years, and the rate of interest, that is represented by R, is given to be 10% per annum. Now we need to find out the amount using this particular formula. Now let's apply the formula and find out the amount. So here 18,000 is the principal, rate here is 10%, therefore 10 by 100. Next, as you can see here, the time is 2.5 years. So as we cannot write fraction in this particular place of n, so we will calculate for 2 years first. After calculating the amount for 2 years, on this amount only interest of half year will be added. As it is compound interest, therefore the interest will be earned on the previous amount. So we will calculate the amount for 2 years. On that we will just calculate the interest for half years in simple interest. So let's find out the amount first. First we will solve within the bracket. As you can see, this 0 and this 0 will be cancelled. So within the bracket we will be left over with 1 plus 1 by 10. Now if you solve this one, you will get 10 plus 1 in the numerator, so we will get 11 by 10. As we have 11 by 10 to the power 2, here as the power is 2, that means we need to multiply 11 by 10 twice. So we have written principal into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10. Now we will calculate this particular thing and we will get our answer to be 21,780 rupees. Now we will apply the formula of simple interest on this particular amount and find out the interest for half year, because the interest of half year and 1 year, when it is compounded annually, the simple interest and compound interest are always same. So we will apply the simple interest formula, which will be easier for us, and find out the answer. So here we will write PRT divided by 100. P means the principal. Here the principal will be taken as the amount, as the interest will be given on the previous amount. So here we will write the amount here into 10 by 100, that is rate percentage, into 1 by 2. As it is half year, so we will write half in place of year. So we will calculate and we will get 1,089 rupees. So now let's calculate the amount after 2.5 years. So here the amount till 2 years was this one, and again our interest is been earned, so we need to add both of this and get the total amount. So we have got our total amount to be 22,869 rupees. Now we need to find out the compound interest, and we know the compound interest formula is amount minus principal. So this is our final amount, and this was our principal. So if we find out the difference, we will get rupees 4869, which is our compound interest of this particular sum. So here we got the answers, that is total amount this one and compound interest is this one. So my dear students, I hope you all have understood this particular sum. If you have any doubt from this particular sum, you can comment below. Students, this is your homework which we will be solving as usual in the next class. So my dear students, if you find the content of this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this channel with your friends, which will motivate us to bring up more videos like this. Bye bye students, stay safe and learn with fun with Prudence Coaching. Bye bye everyone.